A very popular question that I get asked all the time by Boeing engineers, because you got your spreadsheets going, which I really love, is all the different streams of income that are going to come in. And one of the concerns is when I turn on my pension income and then I'm taking a look at my future required minimum distribution. And let me pause for a second and remind those who may not know what required minimum distribution means. That means when you reach age 72, you have to take part of your 401k or any of your pre-tax dollars, IRA. So it's approximately 3.9%. So let's just say 4% of that value because Uncle Sam forces you to, because they want to get paid their taxes. So a lot of times individuals are looking, going, okay, so if I got my pension coming in and at 72, I have to take my required minimum distribution. And at 70, I'm turning on my Social Security, or even possibly at 66. How's that gonna affect my tax bracket? And what can I do to actually mitigate my taxes? This is a really important question because you've done a great job, throughout all these years that you've been with Boeing. You may have been with Hughes and then you came to Boeing, of accumulating your assets. Now, one of the things that you did was you accumulated a lot of assets in pre-tax dollars. So this is where all of a sudden what we were taught all those years ago may be backfiring, right? Because right now, Uncle Sam, in a sense, is your silent partner, right? But a silent partner that can change their mind anytime they like to what your partnership will cost, right? So example, imagine when you retire that you thought all along, I'm gonna be in a 24% federal tax rate. What if all of a sudden you're gonna be at 50%? These are the things that a lot of people are concerned with, especially with the debt we're going into, right, as a nation. So these are the questions that I get asked. And like I said, I get these spreadsheets from great Boeing engineers who've done the math and they're looking and they're calculating, well, if my tax rate just changes by 10% or 15%, this could really affect me. And it absolutely could. So this is a great wake-up call of realizing that now you're in control. Because depending on how you turn on your pension, which election you choose, and what you do to your 401k before you turn 72 could mean the difference of really being able to keep thousands of dollars in the future in your pocket as opposed to Uncle Sam. So if you're one of those engineers that's thinking about that, you know what, this is something that's been really bugging me and I'm thinking about it, and you want to run some numbers to see how to mitigate your taxes and what can you do, what option is the best for you, give us a call and we'll be happy to run a pension evaluation and really an income analysis to see what bucket strategy makes the most sense and what things can you do now, today, before it's too late when it comes to tax planning